Assalamu alaikum all, welcome back to our channel Share the Name Official. So today our topic is what are conditional statements. So let's start it. So first of all we will discuss what are the conditional statements. Conditional statements are the foundation of programming logic, allowing code to make decisions and execute different actions based upon specific conditions. This will help you to guide the core concept of if-else statement, else statement, if statement, and provide a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage these powerful programming tools. So move forward to the if-else statement. The if statement is the most powerful conditional statement in programming. It allows you to check if a condition is true and execute a block of code. Then if statement is structured with the keyword if and followed by the condition to be evaluated, and the block of code is to be executed if the condition is true. Here is an example of if statement. In this example we will first discuss the syntax of if statement. First of all we write if, then we write the condition in curly brackets, round brackets, sorry. So if we in round brackets we will write the condition, then after in curly brackets we will execute the code. In this example we will see out the number is greater than 10. First is check the number. If the number is greater than 10, then it see out that the number is greater than 10. So these if statements are incredibly versatile and can be used to implement complex decision making logic in your programs. So we will move forward to else statements. The else statement is often used in conjunction with the if statement to provide an alternative code block to be executed when if the condition is true. For example, in this example we will see that there is if else. So first in if condition, if the if condition is false, then it execute the else part. If the if condition is true, then it terminate the program and execute. If the if statement is false, then it goes to else, otherwise it does not goes to else part. Now we move forward to the else if statements. The else if statements is an extension of if else structure, allowing you to check multiple conditions in a single condition statement. It is placed between the if else statement and it checks an additional condition if the previous if else condition was false. In this example we will see that if else, else if, or if conditions. The if else condition basically in between the if and else statement. If the if condition will false, then it goes to else if. If the else if condition also false, then it moves toward else part. So the if else, the main purpose of if else is to check the another condition. If one condition is false, then it moves to other condition. If that condition also false, then it moves to else part and it terminate the program. So this is the if else statement. Now we move toward the coding part. We will see that there is a program of we write a program to check the number is positive, negative, or 0. First we define an integer that has data type integer. Then we get the input from the user by seeing the integer. if the user enter the positive number in if condition, the user there is in if condition it checks the number is positive or negative. If number is positive, if the number is positive, then it see out the number positive. In else if statement, it check the number is it check the condition if the number is negative. Then the else part in the last, you will check that you enter the zero number. Now we run the code. So we enter a number 15. So it will print a result that you enter a positive number. In if part, it check the condition that you enter a positive number. Now we will write a negative number. So we again run the code and we write that -15. So it will print a result that you enter a negative number. Now we again run a code. Now we enter a 0. Then it executes the else part and print a number that you enter a 0 number. So this is about if else statement. So if you like our video, then share it with your friends. Also subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.